It's Thursday, April 17, 2025, and this is 2+ Minutes in the Law and Politics. Do you sometimes watch the news and you hear completely opposite things and you wonder what the heck is going on? Well, that happens to me a lot. And when it happens with a legal issue, I try to pull some of the underlying documents to try to figure out for myself what's going on or who I think might be telling the truth. So, in the Abrego Garcia case, this week I heard completely contradictory things. The federal government was saying, we won in the United States Supreme Court 9-0. And then the Abrego Garcia folks were saying, we won 9-0 in the United States Supreme Court. And I thought, what the heck? I mean, how can those both be true? Now, if you'll remember, Abrego Garcia is the man who is currently in prison in El Salvador. The Trump administration says that they sent him there by an administrative error, and many people like me believe that he should be brought to the United States to have the due process hearing that he should have gotten before he was sent over there. The litigation made its way to the United States Supreme Court, and it did in fact issue a 9-0 unanimous ruling. But the ruling was that it affirmed the lower court in part, and it reversed the lower court in part. So yeah, they both won, but they also both lost. So what did the United States Supreme Court say? Well, I think it's fair to say that the unanimous court said that the Trump administration had to facilitate the return of Abrego Garcia back to the United States. What does facilitate mean? I think common sense would say to do everything reasonably possible to get this man back to the United States for the due process hearing. But then the court also had a bit of a dispute about this word effectuate. And the court said that the federal judge should give due regard for the deference owed to the executive branch in the conduct of foreign affairs. That's a mouthful. But I think what it's saying is that the executive branch does have quite a bit of leeway when it comes to foreign affairs and how it deals with other countries. And I think it also kind of gave the lower court a cautionary note about this word effectuate. Does effectuate mean you send in the military to seize the guy and bring him back? Or does it mean something else? And so it told the federal court to be clear about what exactly it expected the Trump administration to do. I hope this helps.